How to connect webhooks. So for this, you need two tabs open. One is going to be the AI dashboard, and then one is going to be the automations tab, which you just go to the CRM, click on automations. I'm going to do this in a folder for this tutorial. So my folder is called video tutor. And within this, I'm going to create a workflow. And for this, I'm going to do pre-call webhook, save that. And I'm going to add a new trigger, which is going to be inbound webhook. I'm going to copy paste this URL link, and I'm going to paste it in the call settings. And where it says incoming call webhook, we want to paste that here and then click on the arrow so it turns into a green check mark. And then we'll get a successfully initiated pop-up. And then we have to do the same thing for post call. So instead of two, as I mentioned, we kind of need three URL, three tabs open, one for the inbound webhook, and then the second one for the post call. So I'm just going to go back out of this one and create a new one, create from scratch. I'm going to name this post call webhook. I'm going to follow the same process. Inbound webhook, copy the URL, and then I'm going to go back here, paste it. And then, okay, as soon as these two are inputted and like check marked, what we want to do is we want to add a phone number to this assistant. And if you don't have a phone number, just click on buy a number and you can buy one. So I'm going to click on this. Test subscription is safe. Okay, so now our phone number is attached to this assistant. Okay, as you can see, it's attached. Now I'm gonna call this number to activate the webhooks. Six 50885 9065.
Stay on the line while your call is completed. Long distance charges may apply. Hi, Bilal. This is Jenny, your digital assistant from the marketing agency.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Hi, Bilal. Bilal? Well, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay, perfect. So you just have to say one sentence. You can just even say hello and hang up. And now we're gonna come back to the pre-call webhook. And now we're gonna click on fetch sample request, mapping reference, and this should be populated with mapping reference. So just click on save trigger. And instead of create contact, we're going to delete the contact. And for the pre-call webhook, the plus sign, we're going to do find a contact. So automatically the contact is going to be created inside of your CRM. And now we're just matching that with the contact ID. So we did find contact. The field is contact ID. We're going to click on inbound webhook trigger, click on that. And we're going to do contact ID and then just save it. Publish and save. And then same thing for the post call. Fetch sample request, mapping reference. So for this one, 2 came. So let's just use the latest one. And what we want to do is save trigger. And then automatically you'll do create contact, but we're going to delete that. And we're going to do the same thing. Find contact, add field, contact ID, inbound web trigger, and then we're going to look for contact ID and just save it and publish. Also, another thing I would recommend is if you have multiple assistants and you're using multiple webhooks, so in the title, just write the name of the assistant too. So for test. And that's the name of my assistant ID at the moment. And that's it.